Audio Jungle.
Because so mind na me too ma ko no. Oba won no man ye, e mu na me ye. Enti se mo to ya ko papa, everything that concerns God. You also take care one more somebody.
Audio Jungle.
That means first love yourself before you can love your neighbor. So one long one won't be no your woman yet person. Sister, I told you here, make that spirit dress here. We are the power. You don't love your body.
Audio Jungle.
One more day, you don't love yourself. And then now you Christian also tell by the nation. Now that's what they said. You love somebody and you don't love yourself. And then you will say, you respect yourself. You don't be alone. You don't so that they say, oh, that's not what I'm saying. Oh no, one thing I don't consent. You can't consent. No, this is war.
Hey everyone. This video is free to use, share and modify, even commercially. Please like, comment and subscribe.